So I got my brackets in today, and I wanted to show you guys that you can hand bend them and they're strong enough to hold the pan cam. Now my pan cam's installed right now, but I thought, well, I've got these gummies here, and that's, well, probably about the same weight. It feels about the same weight, so there's no deflection on the bracket, so that's good. But I want to show you guys that they can be bent by hand. So you've got the little kickstand here. If it'll focus, you get the little kickstand there. Bend that out first, and then bend the bracket over. So just with my fingers and my thumbnail here, I'm able to bend the thing around. Maybe just a little bit forward so it lands in that little patch there. And then just real gently there you have it. So this will be able to go on the corner of a house. This will be able to allow you to have full 270-degree vision for your pan cam on the corner of your house. I recommend putting the corner of your house right about here. These will come with screws for either wood or masonry, and if you decide to use it for masonry, you'll have some anchors that you can drill through your stucco or block, and then put those in, and then put the screw in. So they'll be able to attach to almost any substrate you can think of, and you can put them in drywall inside your house. Maybe if you want to look down a hallway, or if you have just a weird corner that you need the ability to see down two walls. You need a greater viewing angle. This will work. Or if you just have a V2, you can put the sticker right on here and mount it wherever you want. So yeah, go ahead and pick up a couple. You guys can see I've got a couple sitting here, so feel free to shoot me an order.